Hey guys, it's Simon. Welcome back to the video log of our dungeon crawler game. It's Sunday again, so I want to summarize what I did this week, and it was mainly setting up the basic thing that I wanted to do. So it's now possible to move, to interact with some entities. I show that in a moment. And the only thing missing now is to clean up the code a little bit, add some more comments and logging, and think a little bit again about the comments library, how to make it more generic so that everyone can then use it in any kind of game. At least that would be the idea. And I will most likely also move a couple of things that out of the comments library, because especially with the move system at the moment and also the physics system, I'm not sure if this is a generic system that can be used in any game. It's very specific to the way I use it at the moment in a dungeon crawler game, so most likely I will extract that, but the components, for example, could stay because they contain the important information that you need to move around. Yeah, to show you a little bit what can you do at the moment. So when we run our little game, what is possible now, so with the controller, so with the Xbox controller, with the left joypad, we can move around in any direction. I also added keyboard control, so with WASD you can also move freely around as you like. Then I added a small chest, so that would be like an entity that you can interact with, and there we are using, make it a little bit bigger, there you can interact with the box 2D stuff. So for example, the circle that you see here, this is the interaction radius of the player, and when he comes within range of an entity that he could interact with. Currently I make it red, so that I see that something has changed. In the final game it will be then most likely with a shader similar that we had in Dark Matter, that there will be some outline to the chest that the player knows, hey, I can interact with that. And also, so you can get within range and out of range, and currently you can also press an action button. On the keyboard it would be space, on the Xbox controller it's currently A, and when you do that then you trigger actually the other entity, so the chest in this case, and it will open. So for now of course there are no items dropping out or anything, but that would be then the idea for the final game, so that you go close to the chest, when you are within range you interact with it, and then you get the loot. And once it's open, you cannot do anything anymore. So then it's in its open state, and that's it. Yeah, so this is currently what I made this week. I try to clean up the code during the next week a little bit and prepare everything so that the basic setup is really stable and I'm happy with it. And then I will work on the map itself, so that we have some map in the background where we can move around and can collide with the walls and everything. And yeah, to introduce then actually the tiled map editor, and yeah, do that. So that's it for this week. Short video as I try to aim for that. Have a nice Sunday and hear each other again next week. Bye bye.